All right, welcome to lesson 3, and this is about creating your new Gmail account related to your targeted keyword, okay? To your main keyword, okay? Remember what we went over right here, okay? So you want to have something like this, okay? Because I believe it helps with the search engine, okay? But you want to have it super related. So I actually took this right here, this part, and I put it in here as the username, okay? And how you do that, how you get right here is put in create new Gmail, okay? Just type that in and you will find it right here, okay? Just click this and it'll take you right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put my first name, and I'm going to put a password. It lets me put a password. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. All right. And then we'll click next. Okay, so too many characters. So we would just take some of that off. Let's see if that works. Let's put 24/7. It's taken. 365. As long as we have the main keyword, that's all that matters. So we can say affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. How about that? Affiliate marketing help. Okay. Affiliate marketing help too. So you just want to play around with it a little bit. Okay. So they asked me for a phone number. I'm gonna put that in. I want to kind of blank this out. Okay. This is my personal information. Okay. And I'm gonna blank out my recovery email address. Okay. And just follow along with me. Okay. So I'm gonna get them to send me a verification code. Just gonna wait on that. Just 1 second. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna grab this verification code. Take the G off. And then I hit verify. Okay, let's try that again. Come back. And this was at 117. Okay, I didn't grab the whole thing. And paste. Verify. And there you go. Receive phone calls, Google service. You can skip that for right now. And just read the terms and services, policies, all that stuff. Great. Okay. So now you have your new Gmail account. Okay. Has my name on there, but it has the main keyword on there. Affiliate marketing help 2. Okay, that's fine as long as it has the main keyword in the front. Okay. So what we want to do, on the Gmail. Okay, click next. Okay, and there you go. Here's a brand new Gmail account just like that. Okay, so that is all you need to do for right now. So meet me on the next video and we'll go ahead and finish this up. Okay, all right.